guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So I just want to say really quickly, happy Valentine's Day, you guys. It is right around the corner. It is like, what, in a couple of days by the time this video gets posted. And if you guys are not sure what you want to do makeup wise for Valentine's Day, let me stop you right there. I got you covered. You see this look? You see this look? Would you like to know how to create this look? If you do, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna start with eyes right now. I already did my base for my eyelids and I did my brows. We're grabbing the James Charles palette that he did collab with Morphe. And then we're taking one shade out of this bad boy right here, which is the Dare to Create from Morphe. The reason why I chose these palettes was because there was a certain type, I wanted that true toned red. And these were the best ones that had either a shimmer to a red that I found, like in the James Charles palette, he has that matte red. So we're gonna do something really colorful, really vibrant, out of my comfort zone anyway. So yeah. I am just getting a fluffy brush and then we're gonna go into, okay, we're gonna go into Pinkity Drinkity, which is the palest pink shade, and we're gonna use that as our first transition shade. I want this to be pinky red. I want it to scream Valentine's Day, you guys. So I'm just grabbing that fluffy brush, same again, and we're gonna go into that bright neon pink this time, which is Skip. I have to like use my cheat sheet for the names on, you know, the clear plastic thing, because I don't know. And we're just gonna focus that underneath the first shade that we put down. And we don't want to be going crazy. You guys, I love pink, but I wanted to try to do something with red. So we'll see how this comes out. I'm hoping that this comes out okay. I had so many things I wanted to do for this look. But honestly, I'm winging it. I always wing it. Add more, blend it out. I hope to God I'm getting good audio because I don't even know. I have no clue. Cleaning off our brush very, very well. We're gonna go back into the first shade, which is Pinkity Drinkity. And we're just gonna add that color right here so we could have some kind of blend going on. My audio has been really crap. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. We are taking a different brush. There's no numbers on this brush, so I don't know. But if you guys have that brush set, if you guys have that brush set, using the more denser fluffy brush, I don't know. It's still kind of fluffy, but it's not as poofy. So that's what I'm going to use. But this time we are going to go into that bright red shade, You're Kidding, out of the James Charles palette. And this, we're gonna pack on that color. Look at that. Ooh, look how beautiful. Just gonna go beep, because I think I put too much, honestly. So we're gonna focus that all in the crease. Creasing it up, man. Look at it. Look at that red. Ooh, yes. I think we're gonna have to build this up a little bit because I want this to be noticeable. And we're going from inner corner to outer corner. We're gonna load up some more, tap a bit. Oh, do I look crazy yet? I don't know. Like, I've never done an eyeshadow with, I mean, I've done like a what was it, 4th of July look that had red and blue and stuff, but not like pink and red. So every time I use a color I'm not typically used to using, I get nervous. I don't know. Then we're just gonna carefully, with the same brush and whatever's left, blend out those edges. Ooh, okay, I think I'm satisfied. This is 3 times. I am packing this on 3 times. Ooh. I'm just gonna clean off whatever excess was on there. And I'm gonna hold it vertically and I'm just going to blend out as much as I can those edges. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same to the other eye. All right, so I feel a little crazy. I do. I don't know why, but so I'm gonna go back on the previous brush that we had, which is the really fluffy brush. I'm gonna go back into Skip, which is that neon pink shade. And I just wanna kind of bring that back ever. Because remember, this is supposed to be really bright. This is supposed to be like up in your face. Valentine's Day. We are possibly a little crazy. Just possibly. Okay, not a lot, just a little bit. I feel like I need more red on this eye, so we're gonna go back in with the red shade. You're kidding. I always have to go back and read because I don't know. I don't know these names. Just want to add a little bit more red right there. Okay. All right. That's enough adding colors because I don't think I'll stop at this point. Alrighty, now we're going to cut the crease, and I'm just gonna skip this part, you guys, because I'm pretty sure you guys know how to cut the crease or seen it or heard of it, but I have shown it previously in other videos, so I'm just gonna skip it. That way this video is not too long, you know what I'm saying? I don't have a really good concealer brush now, so I'm struggling a little bit, but while this is still wet, we are going to start laying down. Okay, so right outside the very edge, we're gonna go in with that Skip shade on the red, same dark red brush, whatever brush we use. Oh god, I can't even speak, you guys. Oh my gosh. So we're just going to focus that color right on the outside of the eye. Why am I hunching? I don't really know, honestly. But after that first shade is done, we're going to go into the Dare to Create palette. And the shade that we are going to grab is Snatched. And we are going to take that, what are we taking that with? Oh my god, I don't have a flat brush. Like, this is so bad, you guys. So bad. Here we go. We're going to use this big, fat, chubby brush. I don't know, but this is the one that we're using. And we're going to wet our brush with some setting spray, and we're gonna go into the shade Snatched. And this shade was the closest shimmer shade that I could find to match that dark red. And I'm digging with this brush. I don't think this brush was a good choice, but this is all I have. And we're basically putting that on top of the matte red and ever so little the center portion of the eye. We are going to go into the shimmer shade Literally, that is in the James and Morphe palette. And this, we're just going to grab dry at first because I want to see how this lays down. Yeah, I'm not... I mean, it's okay. Why is my phone making noises? If this is messing up my audio, I'm going to be so PO'd. So PO'd. I'm going to wet this brush. And we're going to go back into that shade Literally. Literally. And we're going to tap that in. Honestly, I thought this was going to be a lot more pinky toned. I might go over top with Skip just to add that bright pink. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in to Skip. I'm just grabbing it. And I'm just gonna tap that on right over top because why not? Okay, it made it a lot darker, but we're gonna fix it because I thought it was gonna be pink. It's like not pink. The struggle is real. I'm telling you guys what happens when you don't have a brush. So I'm gonna go in with my finger back into the Literally shade, see, like so, and I'm just gonna tap that ever so slightly just to add that color back a little bit. And then blend that out towards the center of my eye. Then what I'm also going to do with my pinky finger, I'm going to go into the shade Sister. And that, my darlings, this little shade right here is going to go right in the inner corner. So I feel like it needed a blend. A little. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And we're just gonna blend that out ever so slightly. I'm just gonna use this brush to help blend. I need another brush. This brush is not working. I'm gonna go on with a pencil brush. Let me see. I really don't want. The struggle is real today. Can you guys see that? It's mainly our red eye look, but that's okay. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So now that that sister shade is down, I'm gonna clean off this pencil brush. I'm gonna go into that bright red shade. You're kidding. And I'm just gonna help define the crease smidgen a pinch, because I feel like I lost it and I don't know where it went. There we go. It's back. It's back. Okay. Now I feel like I want to deepen up this outer corner just a smidge. So on that pencil brush, actually no, not on that pencil brush. Yeah, do I have another brush? Yes, I do. So I am just grabbing from the Life's a Drag palette, his dual-ended brush. I don't know why I'm using this one a lot, but I am. And I'm going to use his fluffiest side. Oh my god, I can't talk. And I'm going to go into the shade Boutique, which is a dark reddish brown. Just tapping it on like so. And I'm going to just add that in the outer corner. I just feel like I need some depth. That is so much better. Okay. And we're just gonna add that right over top. Keeping it a little bit in the crease till you hit the center of the eye right here. Not going any further than that. And then I'm also using that shade and keeping it in my outer V area or corner or whatever. That's what I just called the outer V. It might not even be the outer V. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I am not a professional. Oh, that is so much better already. Yes, much better. Much better. Ooh, excuse me. Yes, much better. So now I'm going to do everything that I did here. Before we skip on ahead to the rest of our face makeup, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be doing another step. So I'm just going to grab this flat side of the Lunar Beauty dual-sided brush, and I want to add that shade Boutique. I want to add the shade Boutique to the crease area just to help emphasize the cut crease just a little bit. I feel like that red's no longer cutting it anymore, and I want this to be like a little dramatic, so I'm just taking that and adding some depth there. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference now, but I feel like it will make such a huge difference. Oh yeah, see, they pop more. I don't know about you guys, but for me it pops a little bit more, and that's what I like. So we're just gonna add a little bit more just towards the inner portion. The outer portion is fine because it has that blend. Just gonna blend that a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this wraps up the finished look. I absolutely love the way this came out. This was a lot better than what I had envisioned in my head. So I'm glad that it turned out this way. So I just want to give you a quick rundown of the products that I did use. So foundation, I did use MAC NC30. And then for contour, I used the Matte Tarte Park Avenue Princess. For blush, I just grabbed one of the like lightest pink blushes that I could find that is like fairly nude. So ooh, I did use this blush right here. This came from the Betty Boop and BoxyCharm collab. For highlighter, I did use the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Peach Goddess. For lips, I went and I used the Stila Stay All Day Liquid lipstick in the shade Rubino, which I believe we also got out of a BoxyCharm box. For lashes, I used the Glamnetic, Glamnetic in the style Bella. And that's pretty much it. The wig I've had sitting around for a while, and I'm oh yes, I'm so happy with the way this came out, you guys. I think it looks super cute. Like, I'm feeling myself. Like, I'm feeling myself today, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that wraps up this video, you guys. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you're going to be wearing makeup on Valentine's Day. And your thoughts on the way this look came out. Would you recreate this look? Because I know this is kind of bold even for me, but I don't know, like on camera, it looks more pink than it kind of like in person. It's a little more red, but on camera it looks a little more pink, and I really like off camera and on camera. I'm not upset with the way it looks, honestly. But yeah, so do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave that comment down below. Make sure you guys sting my subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, wherever else you guys can think of pollinating my videos. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.